Freight trains transporting goods between China and Europe have seen constant surge in recent years, and show bright prospects of the Belt and Road Initiative.
Germany is an important node country for the China-Europe freight train route. German cities like Duisburg, Hamburg, and Mannheim witnessed continuous growth in the number of China-Europe freight trains.
In 2021, the number of two-way freight train trips between China and Europe reached 15,000, carrying 1.46 million 20-foot equivalent units, up 22% and 29%, respectively, year-on-year. The booming freight train service is an epitome of sound economic and trade cooperation between China and Europe within the framework of BRI.
I'm in a container freight station in Warsaw. The train traveling across the Euro-Asian continent has greatly contributed to the stability of the China-EU industrial supply chains and the high-quality development of the Belt and Road.
Economic and trade cooperation between the European Union and China has proved to be astoundingly resilient and vigorous, despite the negative consequences of the pandemic. In 2021, bilateral trade between China and the European Union was worth over $800 billion, a new all-time high. Two-way investment exceeded $270 billion.